LinkedIn sign-in problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can solve LinkedIn sign-in problem, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to solve the sign-in problem on LinkedIn, it's actually quite very simple. Now first of all, the issue could be happening due to many reasons. Long press the LinkedIn app icon, tap the I button to basically come to the app information page. From here, simply go to this option here known as storage. From storage, clear the cache and also make sure to clear the data. Now once you clear the cache files and data, open up the LinkedIn application here. After that, just tap the sign in option and just check if your credentials are correct, such as your phone number and your password. Now if you don't remember it, if you're lucky, you might have logged in with Google, Apple, Facebook or other type of email verification, so you can also log in with those if you're having the issue. If you forgot your password, you can tap on forgot password option and then you can also try to reset it. This way you can actually solve the sign-in problem on LinkedIn. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.